How to register for Lloyds mobile banking. In order to register for Lloyds mobile banking, first of all, ensure you're registered for internet banking. Then you want to head over to your respective app store and download Lloyds Bank onto your device. Once you're done installing the Lloyds Bank, you then want to open that up. So when you open up the Lloyds Bank, this is how the interface is going to look. Simply press onto the login button and you could just go ahead and select your register underneath. Now you just need to go ahead and fill in your information. So use the same user ID and a password you use for Lloyd's internet banking website. Then you have to enter the requested characters from your memorable information. You'll receive a 4-digit code on your screen and then you'll need to see or key when Lloyd's Bank call you. And the app will detect its new device and prompt you to register this device as well. You may also need to confirm this from your desktop internet banking session as well. And afterwards you just want to follow on the option prompt, and that's basically how you're going to register for Lloyd's mobile banking app. And with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.